Ripple and CC continue battle, investor focus sharpens. XRP gained 1.85% on Monday, May 6th, ending the session at $0.5403. The SEC filed its non-public remedies reply brief and supporting exhibits, arguing for a punitive penalty. On Tuesday, May 7th, SEC versus Ripple case related news warrants investor attention following the Robinhood Wells notice. Guys, remember your support is important. Like my video, comment, subscribe, and watch to the end. The current real-time XRP price is 53 cents, and its trading volume is $1 billion in the last 24 hours. XRP price has grown by 0.70% in the last day and increased by 7.68% in the last 7 days. It's important to note that the current XRP market capitalization is $29 billion and the maximum supply is 100 billion XRP coins. Talking about circulating supply, XRP has 55 billion coins. Currently, XRP's rank on the market is 7. XRP price today is 27.68% below the all-time high, and it is 19,033.95% above the time low. On Monday, May 6th, XRP gained 1.85%. Following a 0.11% rise on Sunday, May 5th, XRP closed the session at $0.543. SEC versus Ripple SEC files non-public remedies reply brief. Guys, SEC versus Ripple case related updates drew investor interest on Monday, May 6th. Defense attorney James Filan shared the latest news, saying the SEC has filed under seal its remedies reply brief supporting exhibits. These documents are not yet public. Public redacted versions will be filed by Wednesday, May 8th, 2024. Other sealing-related filings will follow. According to the court schedule, the SEC and Ripple will meet to agree on redactions to the reply brief and exhibits on Tuesday, May 7th. On Wednesday, May 8th, the SEC must file its public redacted version of the remedies reply brief and accompanying exhibits. The SEC, Ripple, and third parties must file omnibus letter motions to seal all materials relating to the remedies related briefing. Furthermore, all parties and third parties must file proposed redactions to the materials. By May 20th, the SEC, Ripple, and third parties must file opposition briefs to the omnibus letter motions to seal. The parties and third parties must file public redacted versions of all documents within 14 days of the rulings on the omnibus sealing motions. As investors await the redacted version of the SEC reply brief, the SEC targeted another exchange. Robinhood receives enforcement notice. On Monday, Robinhood announced that Robinhood Crypto RHC received a Wells notice from the SEC. The Wells notice indicated that SEC staff will recommend the SEC to file an enforcement action. Robinhood Chief Legal, Compliance, and Corporate Affairs Officer Dan Gallagher had this to say about the Wells notice and likely enforcement action. After years of good faith attempts to work with the SEC for regulatory clarity, including our well-known attempt to come in and register, we are disappointed that the agency has decided to issue a Wells notice related to our U.S. crypto business. Gallagher added, "We firmly believe that the assets listed on our platform are not securities, and we look forward to engaging with the SEC to make clear just how weak any case against Robinhood Crypto would be on both the facts and the law." Robinhood joined a growing list of us platforms that the SEC is taking action against over crypto trading. Coinbase Coin CEO Brian Armstrong responded to a post from Vlad Tenev, the CEO and co-founder of the trading app Robinhood, saying, "Welcome to the club, you're in good company. The courts will help get clarity, but the right solution in the long term is we need to elect pro-crypto candidates. This is why Coinbase has supported Fair Shake Super PAC and StandWithCrypto.org. The ongoing CC cases against crypto firms could materially influence the U.S. crypto market. A Coinbase victory may end the CC's regulation through an enforcement approach that continues impacting the crypto market." In April, Coinbase filed a motion for interlocutory appeal over the ruling on the Coinbase motion to dismiss MTD. Coinbase filed the motion in response to the court denying the motion to dismiss charges for operating as an unregistered securities exchange. Let's check the daily chart. XRP remained below the 50-day and 200-day EMAs, affirming the bearish price signals. An XRP break above the 50-day EMA would support a move to the 200-day EMA and the $0.5739.9 level. A breakout from the $0.5739.9 level could bring the $0.60 zero into play. SEC versus crypto case related news needs investor consideration. Conversely, an XRP fall through the top and bottom trend lines could signal a drop below the $0.50 zero. The 14-day RSI reading 51.19 indicates an XRP return to the $0.60 zero before entering overbought territory. Now, If we look at the 4-hourly chart, on the 4-hourly, XRP sat above the 50-day EMA while remaining below the 200-day EMA. The EMS confirmed the bullish near-term but bearish longer-term price signals. XRP breakout from the 200-day EMA could give the bulls a run at the $0.5739 level. However, an XRP fall through the $0.5361 level could signal a drop to the 50-day EMA. The 14-day RSI rating 56.00 suggests an XRP return to the $0.60 zero before entering overbought territory. Let's talk about the tracking BTC amid fluctuating ETF inflows and CC actions. Bitcoin BTC declined by 1.26% on Monday, May 6th, closing the session at $63,191. News of the SEC issuing Robinhood a Wells notice impacted buyer demand for BTC and the broader crypto market. FOMC member chatter and US BTC spot ETF market flow data warrant investor attention on Tuesday, May 7th. The current real-time Bitcoin price is $63,372.72 and its trading volume is $20,476,916,416,462 in the last 24 hours. BTC price has plummeted by 0.55% in the last day and increased by 3.53% in the last 7 days. It's important to note that current Bitcoin market capitalization is $1.24 trillion and the maximum supply is 21 million BTC coins. Talking about circulating supply, BTC has 19,695,100 coins. Currently, Bitcoin rank on the market is number 1. Bitcoin price today is 12.36% below all-time high, and it is 96,613.85% above all-time low. BTC impacted by CC Wells notice to Robinhood. Bitcoin BTC declined by 1.26% on Monday, May 6th. Reversing a 0.11% gain from Sunday, May 5th, BTC ended the session at $63,191. News of the SEC issuing Robinhood a Wells notice impacted buyer demand for BTC and the broader crypto market. CEO and co-founder Vlad Tenev had this to say about the Wells notice: over the last 3 years, we've reached a state of regulatory onslaught that is harmful to American companies and consumers. The SEC's continued attack on crypto, coupled with recent rule proposals like the one related to predictive data analytics, mark yet another improper attempt by the administrative state to stifle innovation. The news coincided with the SEC filing its remedies reply brief in the ongoing SEC versus Ripple case. However, the US BTC spot ETF market brushed aside the news with a second successive session of net inflows. According to Farside Investors, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC saw net inflows of $3.9 million. Significantly, GBTC saw net inflows for the second successive session and the second time since January 11th. Fidelity-Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund FBTC recorded net inflows of $99.2 million, down from $102.6 million on Friday, May 3rd. ARK21 shares Bitcoin ETF saw net inflows of $75.6 million, up from $28.1 million on Friday, May 3rd. Excluding flow data for iShares Bitcoin Trust IBIT, the US BTC spot ETF market recorded total net inflows of $195.5 million. On Friday, May 3rd, the US BTC spot ETF market saw total net inflows of $378.3 million. Rising bets on a September Fed interest rate cut drove buyer demand for BTC spot ETFs. According to the CME Fed Watch tool, the chances of the Fed leaving interest rates unchanged fell from 42.5% to 35.2% between April 29th and May 6th. BTC was up 1.07% to $63,865 on Tuesday, May 7th morning. Bitcoin analysis BTC sat below the 50-day EMA while holding above the 200-day EMA, sending bearish near-term but bullish longer-term price signals. ABTC break above the 50-day EMA and the $64,000 resistance level would support a move toward the $69,000 resistance level. A breakout from the $69,000 resistance level could give the bulls a run at the $73,808 all-time high. On Tuesday, May 6th, SEC activity, Fed speakers, and BTC spot ETF market flow trends need consideration. Conversely, ABTC drop below the $62,500 level could signal a fall to the $60,365 support level. With a 49.6314 daily RSI reading, BTC could drop below the $60,000 handle before entering oversold territory. If we look at Ethereum analysis, ETH hovered below the 50-day EMA while remaining above the 200-day EMA. The EMS affirmed the bearish near-term but bullish longer-term price signals. An ETH move through the 50-day EMA could give the bulls a run at the $3,244 resistance level. A break above the $3,244 resistance level would support a move toward the $3,480 resistance level. Conversely, an ETH break below the $3,033 support level could signal a drop toward the 200-day EMA. The 14-period daily RSI reading of 45.71 suggests an ETH fall to the 200-day EMA before entering oversold territory. Let's stop here for now. Guys, this information should not be considered financial advice. I encourage you to do thorough research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching my video. Keep supporting my channel. See you in my next video.